Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming the watch has enough power and the screen responds. This prevents interruptions. Once ready, press and hold the crown or main button for about 3 seconds to open the main menu. You then navigate to settings and choose time or system time using the touchscreen swipe or the scroll wheel. Make sure to enter the correct submenu because some models separate date from time. Selecting the right menu saves you backtracking and speeds the setup. You now decide whether to set time manually or sync with your phone or GPS. If you pick manual, tap hours then digits and repeat for minutes. Toggle AM/PM or switch to 24-hour format. If you pick sync, make sure Bluetooth is on and the companion app is open. Pairing triggers automatic time update. Once digits are correct, validate the time zone and daylight saving settings because those affect displayed time across locations. After saving, exit settings and check the watch face to verify the displayed time matches. If it does not update, reboot the watch once. This resolves many temporary software glitches. If syncing fails repeatedly, unpair and repair the watch with the phone or toggle Bluetooth because a broken link often blocks automatic updates. Finally, if problems persist, perform a network reset or consult the app's device diagnostics. These steps restore communication and ensure your time stays accurate going forward.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.